Welcome back, guys! Today we're going to be making soap slime. You'll be needing a container, a mixing tool, some soap, and I'm using Softsoap Minty Cheer. Lastly, you'll be needing any type of soap. First, put in as much soap as you want into your container. Then mix it a little bit. Add a small pinch of salt and then mix it. Put your slime into the freezer for about 5 to 10 minutes. So this was my slime after about 5 minutes. I'm gonna add some pink paint for the coloring. Now that I'm done with the slime, I'm gonna pour it out of the container. That was it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Please like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Bye!